Hey everyone, so this was a really cool opportunity. I'm driving by and these hay bales are like, I painted one yesterday and it was gone this morning, and I was painting just down the road and this was still a field of wheat. I come back and all these hay bales are up now, and it's getting late in the day and the tractor was just pulling up right by the road, so I pulled over and asked him if I could jump in the field and paint them because they're going to be gone tomorrow. The wind has died down considerably from my earlier painting, and so I'm really excited about this one. I think this will be really cool, and I don't have much time, so as you can see the sun is fading fast. It does stay lighter up here, and as you can see, look at this cool cypress trees. I really had to struggle to find a good composition quickly, but I decided to go ahead and do the field of hay bales because they're going to be gone first thing in the morning, and they move fast. They don't get around here, not like Virginia Beach where they'll sit for maybe a week or two. These things are going fast, so I got to get painting, but hopefully I'll be able to set up and do a little bit of a time lapse and share some of the process while I do this. Let's get painting. All right, guys. Man, chasing the light today. Chasing the light today. It is a beautiful day. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you the beautiful sunset. And then, whoa, look at that light. Wow, man, I gotta put that. It's blinding. Oh my gosh, it's blinding. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you how beautiful it is out here in Washington Island. Beautiful sunset, as you can see here, and just awesome imagery. There we go. That's a little bit better. Let's go ahead and, there you go. So you can see the, let's see if I can get that focus. There you go. Yeah. There's my painting. Had a lot of fun. It was really cool to get Martin, who owns this farmland, to allow me to come and paint, which was really awesome. The winds died down. My earlier painting today was really windy, and I don't have a good mic with me set up, but that will come soon. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I can't tell you how. I'm going to pan again. It is just so beautiful. Look at that sunset, man. Look at that. That's just so awesome. And as you can see here, the fields, look at that. Just so cool. So cool. And the hay bales, they're going to be gone tomorrow. They're going to be gone tomorrow. They're going to be gone. So I'm glad I got to paint it in today. But it's been a lot of fun, and I've got to go home and eat some dinner. So I will see you guys again next time, and stay tuned for more videos because they are coming. Wow, isn't that look cool? I'm kind of got a cool silhouette there. But yeah, it is so beautiful out here. I can't tell you enough. And so I'm going to go ahead and take some photos, and I'm going to go then and eat. So see you guys later, and happy painting. You know what? All right. So one last look. I've just finished packing up. Look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. Just hang out here for a moment with me. Watch it fade. There it goes. There it goes. bugs finally found me. They finally found me. Yeah, let's watch this one more time. There we go. Yep. How cool is that? All right. I'm gonna make my way back. So cool. I'll tell you, just looking at all this cool scenery. I've got 2 more days to paint, and I'm going to be having some of these paintings already up at the ANC Gallery in Washington Island, and I'll be posting those soon. All right, one last look. There we go. How cool is that? How cool is that? All right, guys, I'm gonna head on out, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. We get to get a good night's sleep and get up early. I'm gonna hit Airport Drive and whatnot. Now I'm gonna find my way through these weeds. Oh man, there we go. There's my path. All right. This is why you spray tick stuff on your ankles. Absolutely. I should have sprayed it all over, but at least I had sight of mind to put tick stuff all over my ankle. So, and I'll have to check. There it goes. It's gone. All right, guys. See ya.